Not a big fan of it.
I don't even want to try.
I choose to live a tobacco-free lifestyle because I don't want all the harsh chemicals.
Because it's clean, keeps my body healthy.
Definitely for my health.
Because it's expensive and I like my lungs.
But I don't know if I even could because I have asthma, so.
I just never really had that urge.
I made a pledge in there and I've never gone back.
Being in nursing school, I've seen the bad side effects and I just don't want that for myself.
It's just not healthy.
They're not the best for your health. Smoking tobacco is very bad for your lungs.
And then chewing tobacco is really bad for your gums, cancer causing.
During one of our health classes, we were shown what tobacco can do and what smoking can do, and it was really, really gross.
I don't want my lungs to become black.
And secondhand smoke is no joke. That rhymed.
It decays people's gums, it messes with their teeth, and it's just over not healthy for a person.
I'm an athlete to play baseball, so I just don't want any of that in my body whatsoever.
I have had asthma my whole life, and I like to breathe. That's the best answer I can come up with.
They're pretty addictive usually.
They are addictive.
You know, the addiction runs in my family, so it's just kind of like if I do it, I'm gonna get addicted to it. So
I grew up with family members that do it, and I see secondhand what it does to them. I've had family members who use tobacco, and they ended up getting lung cancer, and ended up not surviving.
So, yeah, it really puts a number on your life. So.